Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel English Tube. In this video, we will write an emotional Father's Day card. Dear Father, you are the pillar of our family. A source of strength and inspiration. Words of wisdom for my. Thank you for being the best father anyone could ask for. Thank you for your endless patience, gentle guidance, and boundless love. Thank you for being the superhero in my life. Thank you for being my mentor and friend. Thank you for always being my biggest cheerleader. Happy Father's Day to the coolest dad in the world. I am proud to be your son or daughter. You have been there for me through thick and thin. And I am forever grateful. May your life be filled with love and happiness. Here's to another year of making incredible memories together. Love you, Dad.